Good morning, this is Nicholas Fenner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with your weekly weather briefing for the week of March 15th, 2021. Highlights for this week include an ongoing threat for isolated strong to marginally severe storms, especially for eastern Mississippi through tonight, with a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms continuing across most of the area again on Tuesday. And finally, an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms on Wednesday across most of the forecast area. Cooler and drier weather will return for the late week and weekend time periods. Looking specifically at today's remaining severe weather threat, we have that isolated chance for strong, marginally severe storms, mainly east of Interstate 55 in Mississippi, with isolated damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, isolated hail up to quarter size, and even an isolated tornado possible. And the threat will kind of focus mainly through the afternoon and evening and end by late tonight. Then looking again on Tuesday across most of our forecast area, the marginal risk will continue with the isolated chances for severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, hail to quarter size, and even a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. Then the main threat for severe thunderstorms this week will be an enhanced risk across our forecast area on Wednesday. Timing will be mainly during the daytime across most of the area, and then the threat will end from west to east with the arrival of a cold front, with most chances ending by about midnight Wednesday night. With this enhanced risk, we are expecting likely severe thunderstorms to impact the area, damaging wind gusts, large hail up to golf ball size, and tornadoes are possible. Some of those may even be strong tornadoes. So this is definitely a day to be aware of what's going on with the weather, know what you're going to do if a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning is issued for your location. Just have those plans ready for you and your family, depending where you are going to be during the day. Looking ahead at our precipitation amounts over the week ahead, only averaging about 1 to 3 inches for most of the area, so an organized flash flooding threat is not expected at this time. Again, just kind of summarizing the week ahead, warm and stormy through about the middle of the week, and then by the time we get to the later part of the weekend, looking at cooler and drier weather across the forecast area. In summary, an ongoing marginal risk for severe thunderstorms in eastern Mississippi today, expanding back across the area tomorrow on Tuesday for a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms, and an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms across the entire area on Wednesday. Cooler and drier weather then returns for the late week and weekend time periods. Thanks again for tuning in for our weekly weather briefing. If you have additional questions or want to follow along with updates to the forecast, follow along on our Facebook and Twitter and along on our website. Or if you have additional questions, feel free to give our office a call. And thank you for tuning in again.